Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen. And today on the chopping block we're doing a copycat recipe. Now I will be doing that recipe later on down the road. But we're going to be doing toast on Lenox in Atlanta, Georgia. I'm trying to redo it. And you guys are going to get the first thing right here. So I'm using this flour right here. Kentucky Colonel, what is it called? Colonel Kentucky right here. And this is a good flour recipe. I'm not getting promoted to do this. I'm just letting you guys know it's a good thing right here if you don't want to season up all your flour and all that stuff. Alright, so I put maybe like a half a cup of that in here. And I put some hot sauce and mustard and a little milk and an egg. Alright, that's all I did to that. And here's the rest of that flour right here. I went ahead and added like a half a cup of starch to mine. You don't have to because you already have all that stuff in there. But yeah, we're going to be doing some chicken and waffle toast on Lenox, Atlanta, Georgia. Now that toast, chicken and waffle going to cost you. I'm going to tell you now. We just went there. Cost us $40 a piece. And that's not including the taxes. So I said, what? It tastes real good. I ain't going to lie to you. But do I want to pay $40 again? No, I don't think so. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and do this. And I'm just show you guys. And then we'll do the recipe next time. Alright? So we're just going to season up our flours and all that stuff. I already did some like some buttermilk waffle stuff. And we're going to be getting that going on. I got my little waffle maker right over here. We're just going to come in here with our chicken wings and chicken legs and kind of like shake that up a little bit in here. Alright. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get this going and I'll show you what we'll be doing next. See you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. We'll go ahead and put this chicken in here. Start with my breast first. Alright, I'm going to do some legs. I don't want to go too much. I don't want to overfill. Alright, that should be good. We're just going to let that cook for about 10-15 minutes. And I'll show you guys what we'll be doing next. See you guys in a minute. So that you know, I just flip my chicken. I try to flip it like every 15 minutes, not 15 minutes, what I'm flipping on. Hold on, let me zoom this in. Bring it back a little bit. So, this is the yard burger right here. I just flipped it. I'll flip like every 3 minutes or something like that. Alright, yeah, that's all I want to let you know. And I'll see you guys in a minute. That's the first batch. Alright guys. Okay guys, I'm back. Here's my waffle stuff right here. This is by Krusty. I put an egg. I put some cinnamon, like a half a teaspoon of cinnamon in there. I put 2 teaspoons of honey in there. I put some vegetable oil, like 2 teaspoons of that. And I put some cinnamon in there. I believe I said that already. Some cold water. That's all you need, okay? And I put a little cap of oil in here. You're always supposed to do that. Pour it right in the middle. Like that. Push this thing down. Hold it there for a second. Then I'll flip it. Like so. Sometimes it's sticky, sometimes it don't. Alright, let's get to the icing. I made some icing right here. I put some convection sugar in there. I put some cream cheese in there. And I put some sour cream in there. And I put a little crumb, I see a drip or two of vanilla, okay? That's what I put in here. And a little milk to mix it up with. So as you can see, it's dripping right here, so you know it's full. So we're just gonna hold it down on here. Just like we'll come on when it's done. I like to let it go a little longer. So alright, when this gets done, I'll show you guys what we'll be doing next in a minute. Put this waffle right there. I'm going to do this other one and I'll show you how to top the other stuff off. Hold on, I gotta put some oil on here. Alright fam, let's go ahead and start putting this together. Alright, first thing I'm going to start with is some of this Da Vinci gourmet cinnamon bark syrup. Just a little drizzle of this. I already got cinnamon in my stuff. Just like that. I'm recreating this toast on Lenox. Alright, we're going to come with some maple syrup. Just like that. We're going to come with this caramel. Alright. We're going to come with this icing. But we're just going to do it just like this, fam. Just like that. Alright. And we're going to get our chicken. It's the chicken. They normally have 3 chicken on there, okay? So we're going to come with a powdered sugar. They kind of put it on there heavy a little bit, but I ain't gonna do too much. All right, fam. There you have it. Toast on Lenox. From my home to your home. In VELDOGGS Kitchen. So if you like this recipe of chicken and waffle toast on Lenox, please don't forget, you already know, hit that bell for me. Hit that bell. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGGS Kitchen. Much love and God bless.